Testing, testing. Okay, it looks like I have working audio. Hey everyone, today I am launching releasing with Yusub Khalid his new book, Practical Python Project. So I'm just posting to our Slack channel, our private Slack channel, to everyone involved in the launch that uh, you know, this is being live streamed. So uh and Yusuf's asking for the live stream link. So let's see if I can get him the live stream stuff, because this is his book, and I know how exciting and stressful it can be to launch a book. All right, gonna keep it on here. So here we go. So it looks like there are people watching already. Oh, 6 people watching. I'm gonna like this too. That's pretty funny. Hey everyone. Today I'm launching a new book. So okay, so I have this and I'm gonna go back to Slack. There's the live stream on Slack, and Twitch is my normal Twitch stream. Okay, so everyone, here's what's going on. We have launched, well, I'm about to launch in just a few seconds, very exciting, a book by a longtime friend and colleague, Yusub Khalid. It is called Practical Python Projects, and it's going up momentarily. I just want to do one last pass because, yeah, it's easier to catch things in advance than, okay. Yeah, that's our hero for social media. Oh my God, it's so exciting. Every time we launch a book, it's like total nerves. Like this is the first time I've ever streamed launching a book, and it's really exciting. And this isn't even my book. It's just a good friend of mine's book, but it's on our store and we're super picky. All right, so if someone could, let me see, I guess I should come over here and Yusub here, let's blast the channel. I don't care if they've turned off notifications. They are getting this message. Yusub channel, we are launching the book right now, turning it on for the store. Fabio, can you also get bd.feldroy.com and br.feldroy.com? Okay, here we go. This is it. This is moment of truth. I know it looks simple, but we're turning on the and we should be live. Let's check and see if we are live. We'll actually use the link, and it doesn't. Oh, because I misspelled something. Yeah, that's the thing. You get so excited. Hey, how's it going, Ashe? Why is it not working? Hold on. Have to figure out what we did. Oh, I need to save it. Okay, let's try it again. Feld.to. So you get so excited. Normally I don't stream this, so you're not catching all of the goofs. And I'm gonna blow up our internal stream. So there it is. It is live. I can post it on Twitch. It is feld.to/ppp. If you go there, the book, the new Python book is live. And is that actually going to my chat window? It is not. Wow. Okay, so you're not my friend right now, Streamlabs. Well, I shouldn't say that. I like Streamlabs quite a bit. But fortunately, I have a backup. And I'm going to here. And what I'll do is I will add a link to the bottom corner over right there. Yeah, it's a midday stream. It's unusual time. And that is to support the launch of the new book. So let me add a, tell you what, so, and I was hoping to get hoping to get my blog posts up, but I will do that shortly. Okay, so now that that's up, it is time to send it out. We're gonna send it to all our subscribers, and we're just gonna send it now. Boom. So it's going to our subscribers, our mailing list subscribers, and knowing how this software works, they're gonna like hold us up for the last few times they've held us up for hours. So instead of launching at the optimal time, we've launched after it. So I'm hoping this is if they hold us up a long time, we are going to we're going to have serious issues with our mailing list provider. Actually, this is the third time, the third strike if that happens. So what Yusub said, he's the author of the book. We're both Python developers. He said his internet crashed for a bit. What a perfect way to launch. If nothing goes wrong, is it even a launch? No, it is not a launch. And sorry if you hear some background noise. Just when we started, someone's doing a quick bit of construction. Oh, and we are live on bd.feldroy.com. So for those of you who are in Bangladesh, we are now live from Bangladesh. Or the store, our Bangladesh store is working. Oh, and we're live on Brazil too. So let's get flag dash br, and then. And where this discussion is, I'm looking at, it's a private Slack group. Sorry, everyone. And this is the Bangladesh flag. Okay, so it started. Let's see, what else do we have to do? Oh, yes, I have to publish this on this site. And once I get these things up, I'm going to post a link over there. Okay, so Carla is saying she's not hearing any noise. Hi, Carla. How are you doing? Carla is also a member of the Feldroy team. I always get so jittery. It's like, okay. So we're going to go to here. We have a new Python book. And is that the right term? Should it be we've released a new Python book. Okay, and we're going to change it to visible. And now if we go to the Feldroy homepage, and okay, so it's right there. And time to start hitting some social media. Okay, let's ignore what people are saying. Actually, let's do TweetDeck. That's less of a distraction. Okay, that way I'm not gonna look at this. Awesome, look at that. Oh, that's the test. Okay, so we have a new Python book, and let's do that from Feldroy team. And we've launched a new Python book. Check it out. And let's see, let's start from here to Scoops Academy. That's a good way to test, because the unfortunate truth is that sometimes how you think it's gonna look does not match how it does look. So This is a great way for me to test it. And this is Two Scoops Academy, which Two Scoops Academy. Oh, it looks great. Yasub, do you see this? Um, the new the hero that you came up with looks great. It's absolutely fantastic. I'm really happy with it. Oh, and Yasub's book. Yasub, awesome. So you can go and do that. Hey, hey, Poggy Man, how's it going? We are launching a new book. How cool is that? And I have this. Hold on, let me just. Where do I? So I have this. Some newspaper. Okay, let me just remove this just because. Okay, that was getting annoying. Okay, so Yasub's book is out. You can buy it on Feldroy.com. Let's see, a blog post is done, and just trying to dot all of the I's. Releasing a book is really exciting. There's lots of things that you have to do that always happen at the last minute, tweaks of the book, making sure that it's hit all of social media. Thank you for the grats on that, Skyforce. We're so excited to have Yasub Khalid's book. He's a good friend and an amazing co-author, really nice person, and so honored to have him. Honored to be able to do this with him. But I just realized I am operating through the Wi-Fi, which isn't how I'm supposed to be doing. So I'm about to switch to the hard line just to make sure that the feed is more consistent. Okay, let me just close some of these windows. Oh, and so you are getting the emails. That's excellent that is happening. That is my blog post. Look, there I am. Hi, me. Hey, home script. Okay, so I guess now that I have this here, I can close it now. So there's all okay, so let's close some of these things. One thing I do want to do is, so on the front of this, I'm going to put the book right here. And also I'll see how the hero, this is what we call the hero image. I'm going to see how that looks if I stick it here. We'll see. It's kind of hard to say how that will turn out. All right, so let me go to, do need to take this down here for a second while I go into the theme. Okay, so I'm in the theme. Just that makes sure that our customers are protected. So if you're buying our books, we're not accidentally publishing your information to the world. Okay, so come on, we can do it. So we have, I don't think we have a popular this week section. But what I can do is I can add feature product and I need to add the product. And in this case, we're going to select practical Python projects. And that looks good. Oh, actually, I want to turn off the buy it now. Let me see. How do I? Okay, so dynamic checkout button, take that off because that's actually problematic. Show quantity selector, so that way if people want to order more than one, they can do so. Please buy many many copies of our books. Okay, and all right, so I think we're good. Oh, And then once that is up, we're going to bring that to the top. And it almost makes me wonder. Okay, so now I'm going to hit the slideshow. And for the slideshow, what I'm going to do, first, let's see how we're looking. So if you have any questions about the book, I can answer a bunch of them. I also have Yusub Khalid here on Slack, and he's listening in as well. So, if he wants to comment on YouTube, you can do that. If you want to, or he can answer in chat himself, or I can read his answer. So there's lots of things to do. Now is the time to ask. We are here. We are answering questions about pretty much whatever you want. That is legal. Hey, Paul. Yeah, so yeah, we're so excited for this. It is a good time to be alive when there's a new. Hey, Yusub. So Yusub's on. Thank you for joining us. And he actually has it on Python tips. That's excellent. If you go to his very widely read pythontips.com book, there it is out. And let's just make sure that he has. So one of the things that we do is I'm not like, when I'm looking at his stuff, I'm not, if part of what I'm doing is I'm just making sure his links are accurate. And it's not a bash on you, Yusub. You know this. We're a team, so we're working together. So it's just one of those things that, yes, we will share the link shortly in the Facebook group. All right. So, and we're just going to manually click the link. Excellent. So, okay. So let's do this on Facebook. Oh, and I want to keep the Slack window open. So, blow this up. Yeah, the book is awesome. There's it's a great mix of both really easily understood, like just jump into projects, and other ones who are like, wow, I have to think. But the way he approaches it is he shows you how he did the research, and he does it in such a way that you can follow his, what he did. And sometimes you have to, because when he, for example, there you might want to change one of the topics of what he's searching for. And so to understand how that works, you have to understand how some of the research happened. And then there's the code on how to combine these different libraries to do things that you don't normally see in tutorials. Like, I like the soccer team manager. For me, that was a complete new one that, because normally tutorials are like, oh, here's how you scrape products off of Amazon. And instead he's like, let's do something that's a lot more interesting. Like he, clearly likes football or soccer, as we say in the US. And so he made something which, tracks the results of teams and stuff. And so that's one of the chapters. So, let's see how that. Okay. So here's a trick, everyone. So Facebook, we're gonna debug this because, and we're gonna force it to pick up. All right, and now, see, that's not really what we want, unfortunately. But that's okay. This is part of why we have the blog post. So instead, what we're going to link to is the blog post. And to do that, we're going to go to this link right here. And let's now do that with Facebook. Where's my Facebook? Facebook. there's a new layout of. I'm just using what the browser says, so I don't know what's there. Ah, there we go. Okay, this is good. This is what we want. Okay, so now, let's go to my Facebook, and we're gonna try and ignore all the political stuff that people have, and delighted to announce the release of a new Python book. I helped edit it, and I think it's helped edit it, so I'm biased, but practical Python projects. It's the best project-based book in the universe. I helped edit it and am publishing it. So admittedly biased. is that kind of silly? Oh, you bought it. Thank you so much for buying it. That's awesome. Helped edit and published the book. So okay, so I'll tell you what, so I'm trying to say it this way because it's kind of funny when you do it this way. You just have to do it in a way that doesn't annoy people. But let's face it, the book is the best Python reference. So, okay, so here we go. Tell me what you think. Like, tell me if this is like a bit much. I'm delighted to announce the release of a new Python book, Practical Python Projects, by Yasub Khalid. I helped edit and publish the book, so I'm admittedly biased, but let's face it, the book is the best project-based Python reference in the universe. How's that sound? Is that pushing it, or is it is kind of a run-on sentence? That's the one thing I don't like. But let me break this up into 2 sentences. Confession. I helped, so I'm admittedly biased. There, how's that? That is, I kind of like that style because it's sort of tongue in cheek, and it shows I'm delighted to yeah, I'm delighted. Yeah, this is good, I think. Yasub also wrote, I think short and sweet, because we don't want to have people hit the more part. So I think this is really what I want to go with, at least in this chapter. So see, this is the sort of thing that we have to think about. Okay, so I'm going to hit post, and there we go. Awesome. And let's just see if there's anything I need to worry about. Okay, good. Okay, so let's find more Python groups. So this is on Facebook. So Django Brazil, Python developers, Python Brazil, Python Poland, Python Tijuana, Django Python, Python programming. Agreed. That is such a good statement, Paul. Okay, so I will modify this. So that was, I have a problem. Who can help me fix it? This is, and I'm just gonna edit and publish the book. So, and publish, maybe, and publish admittedly bias. Okay, there we go. And I'm gonna go back and clean up my English just a little bit. That's the one nice thing about Facebook over Twitter. Although, and we actually get a significantly larger amount of traffic from with all of our stuff on Facebook groups and stuff like that. Okay. So we have it there, and now whoa, so this is for jobs. Okay, here we go. And now let me grab the link. Okay, and yeah, see. Okay. Fabio, are you, I'm going to assume that you are a member of, yes, Fabio, you're the admin. So I'm about to post to this group, and Fabio is one of the people at Feldroy.com. So I'm just going to say, tell Fabio to post it there. Can you post the book to use a blog post, so the hero card you might want to use a blog post so the hero card looks better. Okay. And this is Python Poland. We're gonna find one of those ones because I need to go back and find the text that I wrote. And then here's the link. Yep, this is what it's like if you ever want to write a book. Besides actually writing it, marketing it is hard. It's I mean, this is after us spending days prepping for it, like getting all of our marketing material in a row. So this is actually the easy part of it. Okay. So if anyone's ordered it and they have a copy, let us know what you think in the live stream. We're hoping it goes well, that you like it. Okay, the Python Tijuana. We're gonna leave that open. Okay, so you know what? You'd think we'd make bank, but we don't. We want to make bank on these books. Yeah, it's the dream would be to work on books and projects as a career. Maybe thanks to this book and now the classes that we're teaching, maybe we can not always be like worried about the budget. So I'd love to be able to talk about, oh yeah, we're super successful, but I believe in being honest with people. honesty means, yeah, it's just the right way to go. So someone just commented on the post. What is the target? I would say, the book. Hey Yasub, are you a member? It might be hard for you to get it. The book is for people past basic tutorials all the way to advanced levels. While you can certainly read the book in a few days, executing on the projects is something that in most cases can't be done quickly. Part of that is the nature of some of the APIs targeted and other and the encouragement towards customization of the projects. Hey, Pradvan. Yeah, as much as I mean, the reason why I haven't done YouTube as well as Twitch is because multi-stream is something that is multi-stream is something that I just got set up. Streamlabs, which is a software I use to stream, just launched Streamlabs Prime, which allows us to multi-stream. Otherwise, I'd have to do a third-party service like Restream, and finding the time to set that up was something I didn't really have. And what's nice about doing it all through Streamlabs is it's built into the UI. I just click some buttons and it just happens because I'm still new to live streaming. And so that's why I haven't done YouTube yet. And yeah, that's kind of what's going on. Jirkati said, so you don't like clients. I like doing work for myself. I also like working with other people on projects, but for customers, like if we have clients, I've had some great clients, but clients take a lot of work, and I'd rather, if I'm going to be doing that much work, I'd rather it being, and not coding work either, I mean administrative work. So I'd rather have, if I'm going to be doing client level work, I might as well do it for my own projects. And ESG said, post it on Python Dominicana. All right, let's do it. Let's find that group, and let's see if there's any other comments. Let's see if we can find Python Dominicana. Here we go. Awesome. So I'm going to join the group. I'm going to join it as Daniel Roy Greenfeld. I need to finish changing my name there. Okay, so I am pending joining Python Dominicana. All right, where else do I need to post this? Let's just check the social media. That's some Portuguese. Awesome. And okay, so what I am gonna do really quick is move this down here so I can check some numbers. There we go. I can tell you what the traffic is like on our site. And okay, so I'm gonna pull up the live view so that way we can see the number of visitors hitting us right now. I think this is gonna be fun. So that way, this is the live view of traffic on our site. We have, so we just dropped down to 71. Come on, everyone. Tell your friends, tell them to come here and increase the numbers. Yeah. Okay, so Yusuf just published on Facebook and LinkedIn. Let's see if Hacker News is one of those things that's hard to get onto. All right, so I think what I'm gonna do is, now that I have I know what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna put right over here a link to the book. It'll be in white letters. Let me do that really quick. So I'm gonna do, oh wait, I think I can just do text. Give me 1 second. I can do text. Oh, look at that. I can just stick in some text. That is exactly what I need. And I'm gonna do feld.to/ppp. Okay, and we're not going to read it from a file. What's a good font for us to use? Just did, let's try Balboa, and this is what I'll do is I'll bring it up so you can see what I'm trying to do. Ah, look, there it is. And let's okay. So right there, let me just go here to buy the book. By practical Python projects. And we're going to say buy, right? And then, yeah.
Oh. Hey everybody.
Hi.
Go to in Shopify.
Okay, let me do that really quick. That is a one where we have to be careful not to accidentally let our customers see each other's emails. So we do try to protect, we do try to protect our customers as much as possible. So, and what Audrey found is that we have a typo. What are more viewers?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my goodness. Wow. Thank you so much. And let's also make sure that the SEO is, yeah, SEO is saying it. Okay. I'm going to hit save already because it's a small change. Okay. 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 All right. So we're waiting for it to refresh. There it goes. Okay.
Hey Yusuf, you there? Hey, congratulations, your book looks amazing. We are so excited.
So please put all book link in description section. So I'm glad you like it, Eric. Hey, how's it going? We haven't seen you.
Eric.
Yeah, we remember you back at Python Brazil in 2014. Yeah. So what Reagan said is, please put all book link in the description sections. All new Django books. Thanks. By description, do you mean, oh, he means the live stream? I wonder if I can modify that in stream. Let's see. Have to be careful we don't disconnect. So just give us a second while we try and figure this out. Yeah, let me go to YouTube and see if we can modify it in the stream. Okay, bye. Okay. Participants send. How do we? Oh, but I see what you mean, and okay. I can't believe I don't know if there is a way to modify the description midstream. Oh my god, what a lost opportunity. I don't know how to fix this one. Just drop and restart. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do. But let me okay, so what I'm gonna